So this was the SIP.conf explanation, all the parameters. I tried my best to explain you. Moving ahead, now vi extensions.conf, vi extension.conf. Now here we have, this is a general. In this general context we have default. Now all the default settings will be applied that are being written in the general context. They will be applied on this extension, which is 151. So what does happen, we are using this command. It's a basic command. Basically I have registered this number, right? When anyone calls on this number according to this priority, which is at the number 1 priority, by using this application which is dial, this call will be dialed to this extension which is 151 by using this SIP protocol. So this is basically the basic dial plan execution and basic action which is performed on the call. Now the next step is to register a SIP phone. How we will perform it? First of all, colon WQ means save and Q means exit. Make sure to reload after make any changes in SIP.conf or extension.conf. You can reload the SIP and SIP reload. This will reload the SIP.conf file, and if you write the command dial plan reload, so this will reload the extension.conf. Now here I am using command SIP show peers. Now here you can see I have 151, which is a user, and its host IP address is not defined. That means it is not being registered to the Asterisk. I will do it in the future. Then force our port Comedia. On the particular port it will listen to the incoming call, and status is unknown. That means it is not in the zone of Asterisk, and it is not online, it is offline. What I'm gonna do is I will just register it to any SIP phone. Right now I am using Xlite, and I'm just going to the account setting of Xlite. And here I will put the IP address. 151 is the username, display name will be 151, and the authorization name will also be 151, and the password is the password you set in the SIP.conf named with the secret is equal to whatever you have written there. The same thing will be in the password section here. And then check this option, register with domain and receive calls. So it should be registered. Place OK. And wait here. As you can see here, the SIP phone is not registering. I fixed the issue by having the firewall issue. So there are the IP tables in which you allow the specific IPs of different servers, but right now I don't want to use IP tables as firewall, so I will just disable it and restart my Asterisk. So, and I hope that after that my SIP phone will be registered. Now what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I write the command service and IP tables status. It will show up the status. Right now you can see here, this is the status of IP tables and the firewall is running. We need to disable it, or we can say stop it. Just write the command service IP table stop. It will stop the firewall. Then service asterisk restart, and the asterisk first it will shut down and then it will start. You can also see the asterisk status, either it is running or not. So it's running. Now again connecting to the asterisk CLI and reload the command, and then again I will try to register our SIP phone. If the problem persists, maybe you haven't put down the IP address. As you can see, our SIP phone has been registered and we are able to receive calls. Here I missed one thing. You set the type of your peer as type is equal to peer or user or friend. If you send friend, type is equal to friend, then your SIP phone is able to receive calls or place the calls. If you set it to peer, it will only receive call, or you write it user, it will only place call. So right now I have written here times equal to peer, so I am just receiving the call, making an inbound call right now. So this is the inbound call setup. I have set up the extension, I have set up the sip.com, which is the main configuration file, and now the landing procedure. Maybe your CentOS doesn't work here, your virtual machine doesn't work here. You need to buy a server from any server provider, and then install Asterisk on it and register SIP and register the soft phone and receive call, which is the landing of call. So this is all about Asterisk and its basic SIP call procedure, and this is basically the configuration file and making an inbound call setup. Thank you.